So I just thought of something. What if someone actually enters a number less than zero, like -1, -2? It is not possible for someone to have that kind of age. It means that person is not even existing. You notice that from our first condition, we say if age is less than or equal to 17. This will actually take care of that. So if I enter -3, for example, and I save this and refresh it, you say you are not an adult. I'm not satisfied with that. I want you to tell me you do not exist. So how do we take care of that? It's as simple as this. We simply need to fine tune this condition and create a new one for ages that are below zero. So what I'll just do is, since I'm a bit lazy here, I'll just copy this, come within and paste this. Specify the starting point to be 1, that is if age is greater than 0, and of course if it ends at 17. So we specify the limit from 1 to 17. It says you are not an adult. So what if the person enters a negative value? So I'll just like to come down here and create my else if statement again, and here I'm going to specify that age is less than 0. Of course, -1 is less than 0. I don't know if someone can actually be 0 years old, but I don't want to take part in that kind of argument right now. So I'll just keep it as simple as -1, -2, negative numbers. So what we'll simply do at this point is create the curly bracket, and I'll just neatly format this. All right, then I'll just come here and echo the values. You do not exist at all. So that's been said and done. I believe everything is okay like right now. So if I just save this and I refresh this, there is a pass error on line 17. Have you located the mistake? Yes. No, end of statement. Let me just make this correct. Save this and refresh this. It says you do not exist at all. Alright, this might seem a bit overwhelming, but as you can see, this allows us to add as many as conditions as we want. Ain't this lovely? So let me just come here, enter 500, save this, refresh this. It says I am not from this world. Okay, let me just come here and say I'm 29, and I save this and I refresh this. It says you are a young adult. I want to be a legend, so let me just come here and lie that I am 110 years old. Save this, refresh this. It says you are a legend. Very simple. So this is how simple it is to make use of the if else statement in PHP. There is no limit to what you can do or achieve with this statement. Think of other things you can do with it. Be as creative as you can with this concept you have just learned. So we'll be moving on to another kind of conditional in PHP, which is, you know what it is?